szomszédom mindig megjegyzést tesz a kertemre. Let's check it. Let's write it and then let's check it. And that means my neighbor always comments on my garden and not necessarily a favorable comment. Here, let's listen.
A szomszédom mindig megjegyzést tesz a kertemre.
Okay, I forgot to put and let's show the answer. Okay. And let's look at this re, because when you make a comment about something, you could make it with a re or you can make it with a ro. And I think ro is more neutral and re is more negative. So kert is a garden. Kert is a garden. And kertem is my garden, and on my garden. She makes a comment on my garden. And remember, about was role. So she's either making the comment on it, which is more of a negative thing, or about it, which is could be good, it could be bad. And then let's look at mindig, which means always. So mindig means always. And mind means every. And ig, let's see if we have the ig ending. Yes, so here, the ig ending, it's to show when something goes up to. So it's like traveling a distance up to something or in time until something. So edig was up to here. Mindig is up to every. So it means always. So my neighbor always puts some sort of a comment. So megjegyzés is a comment, and there's the accusative ending onto my garden. So let's also look at this yedge, because yedge, I think, is a useful word, because if you go to travel, you want to go buy a yegyet. A yedge is a ticket. So an accusative, it's a yegyet. So I think that's one of the roots here. So megjegyzés is a comment, and a yed, I spelled it wrong up there, so let me fix that. So yed is a ticket. Yed needs a yeah. And let's go look that up, find out more about it. So we have megjegyzés. And it's a remark, and it comes from megjegyez, which is a verb to make a remark on something or to comment on something. And if we look up oh my God, yegyez. So a yed is a sign, mark, or indication, and the as turns it into a verb. But yed can also be a ticket. So here, when you're transportation, it's a ticket. It can also be like a grade in school. Could be here, an education, here it is, a grade or a mark. So it can mean a sign, it can mean a ticket, it can mean a grade. So I think it's a useful word to know. And it's related, or originally comes from the same root as yell, which is a sign. And so if you notice, jelenidu is present tense, and jelenez means to appear. So these are all things about the here and now, things that make us aware. So I'm going to say ticket, grade, or a sign. And I'm also going to put yell because it's related. And yell is also a sign. And yellen is present. And there's also jelentés, which is the meaning of something. So if you're looking to define a word, you might ask for jelentése, its definition. So jelent means to mean something or to signify. So this is mean as in to signify, or to, and jelentés is a definition. All good words. And you will see these roots in many words. Maybe I'll point them out as if we come across them in other cards. Let's go to another card.